Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to English vocabulary lessons. In this lesson, we are going to look at the meaning of prolific. Prolific is used in two different meanings. One is creative, second is abundance or rich. Let me explain it one by one so you can understand each meaning. The first meaning of prolific is creative. It is used for writers, musicians and artists. If someone is very creative writer, musician and artist, then you will use the word prolific for him. Let's see some examples so you can understand how to use it in daily conversation. Our first example is Sarah is very prolific writer of Urdu short stories. She has such a commanding language. Our second example is Ali is very prolific musician. His songs are getting very popular these days. Let's see the second meaning. The second meaning of prolific is abundance or rich, which means producing something in great amount. This can be related to work or sport or even to animals. Let's see some examples. Our first example is John is very prolific goal scorer of his team. Second example is last night storm produced prolific amount of snow, that is why all the roads are blocked. Our third example is rabbits are prolific breeders, they produce a lot of babies. I hope the meaning of prolific is now clear to you. If you like this lesson, please subscribe to my channel. If you want to know any other word, please mention it in comment section below. I will make a video on it. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.